truly deep copying Pandas DataFrames. I came across something I find very odd. Apparently it is not possible to truly deep copy Pandas DataFrames. I would expect that if I create a deep copy of a data frame, and I modify data in this copy, it has not effect on the original data frame. But apparently this is not the case, or even possible if I'm not wrong. Code to reproduce. Or my questions are: is it possible to create true deep copies of Pandas DataFrames? If not, why? If yes, how?
One way is to convert df_ into Python dictionary, which works better with copy. Output.
The problem is that your objects are mutable as they are sets. The documents explicitly call out this behavior with a warning, emphasis my own. When deep equals true, data is copied, but actual Python objects will not be copied recursively, only the reference to the object. So as always with references to mutable objects, if you change it, it affects it everywhere. We can see for ourselves despite the deep copy the objects have the same ID.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.